I teach a kids science class that is for ages 3 to 6, and today we're studying animal classification. So what's the difference between a reptile and a mammal and a fish? So we're going to be singing the song, One of These Things Is Not Like the Other from Sesame Street. One of these things is not like the other. And so I decided to learn it really quick this morning, and that sounded like an easy thing. But I haven't been able to find good music for it. Let's go ahead and play through what I found to see what we think. Okay, the first one is from music notes. So let's first just play the first 3 chord changes. That goes, one of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Not sure I love the key of F at all, but I especially don't love that. One of those things just doesn't belong. That shift doesn't feel great to me. But let's go ahead and play the whole thing through just to kind of get the sense of the whole thing. One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell me which thing is not like the others by the time I finish my song? It's all right. I don't love it, so I went looking for some more. There are several places online where you can find this arrangement by Bruce Hart piano. It's in the key of B flat. One of these things. Honestly, I just don't love the key of B flat, the sound of that for the song, and also the B flat and the B flat 7 is just challenging for me to play. One of these things is not. So that one's not going to work for me. Then there's this version from Chordify, which I think has too many chord changes, and I'm not loving them all, but let's play it through. So I like that Chordify version better than the others, but I'm going to simplify it a lot. So let's check this out, and this is my most current version of the song. One of these things is not